coconut, passion, bonbon, two most delicious flavor refreshment bring you to Hawaii. Passion gel or passion badi fruit with coconut ganache. Both of them they take you to the heaven. Let's do the most delicious ganache and bonbon you ever make. In beginning, we must spray our mold. 100 gram cacao butter, 10 gram blue color. I spray the mold. Then I use toothpicks to make this easy technique. You can make just like that, like wings, or you can make zigzag. It's up to you. After that, 100 gram cacao butter, 12 gram golden color. I blend it and I make tempering, and then I spray the second layer. After that, I can spray with white cocoa butter. 100 gram cocoa butter and 10 gram of white color. But I don't need when I make golden. I tempering dark chocolate 55%. Then I shake the mold. I take out the bubbles. I leave it 50 to 60 seconds just to make light shell. After that, I empty the mold and I leave it to crystallization. Coconut ganache, 125 coconut cream, 375 white chocolate. When it's boiling, the coconut cream, I pour on top of the chocolate. Then I mix it to be creamy. After that, I added 10 gram of fresh butter or normal butter. Unfortunately, it was not recording when I added the butter. I cover it for second day, and then let's do the most amazing passion puree. 100 gram passion, 100 gram water. Because passion is too sour, that's why I added the same quantity of water. Then we added 5 gram pectin mixed with 40 gram of sugar. Normally I added pectin when the liquid is 50 degree. 2.5 gram lemon salt or citric acid, 2.5 water, and this will be citric solution. When it start hot, I added glucose. So in beginning, I added pectin with the sugar, and then when it's hot, I added glucose. Then I added the 210 gram of sugar step by step. The most important in bad fruit to cooked 1.7 Celsius. This is the most important steps. After that, we added citric acid solution. So 2.5 gram citric acid, 2.5 water. We mix it together, and then we added in the end. When it's boiling, I don't care if boiling or not. I just check the thermometer, because many chefs, they lose the bad fruit because they didn't think enough the right temperature. If I want bad fruit as crystallized big chunk, then I have to remove the mixture or the casserole from the fire. Then I added citric acid. But if I want bad fruit as a gel, I added citric acid on top of the casserole while is boiling. So it's two type. If I add citric acid outside, that will crystallize and take the square shape. And I have many video you can watch how to do exactly citric acid. What I want now, I need just to be as a gel. I piping when it's cooled down, I blend it with hand blender, and then I piping into the mold. After that, I cover it with a coconut ganache. If there is extra ganache, you can remove it with a spoon and then you added your coconut. I wish this video showing you technique easy and simple and two nice flavor. You can do it for your bonbon. Don't work harder, just work smarter. I put in the freezer for 10 minutes just to, because the ganache is soft. Then I reheat with the heater gun and then I cover with the mold. That's it. Keep it in the fridge 20 to 25 minutes to crystallization. After that, you can cut the coconut passion.